Yo, how are we today, guys? Welcome to today's tutorial, the Mayday procedure on a VHF radio. Let's go. So before we carry on, yesterday I was at the Southampton Boat Show, absolutely great show. However, it was absolutely chucking it down with rain. Have a watch of this. Welcome to a very rainy, absolutely soaking wet Southampton Boat Show.
Does anyone know what to do if you do fall into cold water? There you go. Oh, sorry. Like to live.
Do you guys know how to signal for help if you want help? So if you are on a beach and you need a lifeguard to come into the water to get you, what you need to do is you need to try and float like this, on your back, arms out, put one fist in the air. That means that you can still swim around with one hand. If you're in the middle of the sea, or you are wearing a life jacket like this, which will hold you in this position, you get a closed fist and you wave like that above your head. And that means that someone will come and help you if they can see you.
Where you go, always take the weather with you, everywhere you go.
So let's get on to what we're here for. VHF radio, Mayday and pan. There is a difference to what you have to say on the radio depending on what situation you are in at the time. So Mayday, I am in imminent danger and could be injured and require immediate assistance. That's what a Mayday call is. Pan, you are not in immediate danger, however you do require assistance. Could be something simple as you've ran out of fuel on your vessel. 9 different parts to this, something that you should practice just in case this ever occurs to you, or have a piece of card next to the VHF radio, if not on the VHF radio, telling you exactly what you need to say at the time of your distress. So number 1, say Mayday 3 times. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Simple as that. Number 2, who are you? We say this is, so I use Golf Bravo because that's my initials, GB. So I go, this is Golf Bravo, Golf Bravo, Golf Bravo. Now you repeat both of those one more time each. So Mayday, 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 this is Golf Bravo, Golf Bravo, Golf Bravo, Mayday, Golf Bravo. Next thing is your position. Now you get this either off your GPS, or if you don't have any such facility and you're not sure where you are but you can see land, get a compass out, use that to find a bearing to anything you can see on land. Now if this fails because you cannot see land, hopefully you will be able to see another vessel. If so, give a bearing to that vessel because they may actually be listening to your Mayday shout and may be able to give you assistance. Now in the case of you really don't know where you are, what you may find is the Coast Guard will ask you to count to 10. This will allow them to triangulate your position. Next part, I am sinking, on fire, I require immediate assistance. I have 1 person on board, that is me. So say you're out with you and your 2 friends. You have 3 persons on board. This allows them to know how many they are rescuing. Simple as that. Now the next part is, have you got any safety equipment on board? If so, tell them. The Coast Guard will be able to tell you when to use this equipment and why. The last but not least, you say over. Not over and out, over. Difference is, over, this means I am waiting for a response. If you say out, that is, I am not after a response. If you say over and out, this shows that you are confused. So try and be clear as possible on this. If you do not get a response, go through the whole procedure again until you do get some sort of response. So here we go, all the way through the procedure. I will pretend that I'm on my own. My position, I'm not going to give a GPS position, I'll just say I'm in my living room, and I will pretend that my vessel is on fire. Here we go. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is Golf Bravo, Golf Bravo, Golf Bravo. Mayday, Golf Bravo. My position is my living room. Vessel is on fire. I require immediate assistance. I have one person on board and a life raft available. Over. Please bear in mind that when you do these procedures for real, it is on channel 16 of the VHF radio. If you like what you see and find it informative with these tutorials, please let me know below. Please subscribe, hit that bell, hit that like button, and I will see you on the very next video. Bye.